By the grace of the Most High God, we are back again to this studio, J Ghana TV, where we stand for the truth and nothing but the truth. I'm here about Edeba J Ghana TV. Maybe I no crepe and I can. The be I shimwa. Now say a bomb pie so here say I'm a kind of home. My mom pie of also here that was say send us so near DDE. I bring you now a what don't in the say and that's your so. Betai chiji na pa na bia no enkostotin se wodi enunyam udenti amen
amen
okay bia kwa ba de ba J Ghana TV me dey e Pastor Felix Oben Ampa Yahweh's Temple Mamprobi Accra and me nua
Ajay
Sabbath now and then so asema e dey to dwane say amen the word amen den amen a bom paya e dey twato ya to nyuma bere ya to amen ewo mu ebenum say amen e ya bosom din na ebewura bible mu na nne say na the word amen if we himfa now edikan no bible ayo kra no e twere konkron no e ya ebenum say a history book metia na me ya the bible no you can't bibia fa no tenses onyankopon ayesom no Yahweh o say enra ende ene da the same yesterday, today, and forever. Now we share Revelation 1:7 and 8 now.
Revelation 1 verse 7. What's the share?
Share.
One among Kumba.
On a Mukumba.
And in Nabehono.
And in Nabehono.
One hour one.
Yes.
As I saw Monsieur never born who.
Anne.
Amen.
Amen.
Yahweh say many alpha and omega.
Many alpha and omega.
Dear Waho.
No
harder than.
No riba.
I didn't know stone.
I didn't know stone for until Yankupon, Ayonamia, and Ra, and in any da. And the Bible no, there were 3 tenses. Baku a past a history. Israel full museum by a Bokosem.
Yes. And
there were in some way and net day a bemu. Say, Benus Yamibia ni hono, a fulfilling scriptures. And never hope. I feel Dama and Quadia rapture so and we a prophecy. Antichrist is a prophecy.
Yes.
And the Bible no ever 3 tenses: past, present, and future. It is a so we see Bible way a history. Now a pair name say into a history, a present, and a future. So for be a been my bar or more can say on more quarter. Also Jack or Japa so work. No go pay me here. Because ukra Bible no say Bible a mistake there and now so for now
we are saying
okay young call the word amen and also now amen Bible no appear will move first e was Numbers 5:22 and one of the word amen appear was first in the Bible.
Numbers 5 verse 22.
Yes.
Yanko po 7 was na ensuo a ede enome bayi ahye no wonsuno mu na ahon ye funu.
Yes.
Na wasre atoto na oba no nka se
na oba nka se amen.
Amen.
We adua bo a ye de bo oba bi a wabo dwaman.
Sir.
And I say nsu no afa ka say amen. Into the word amen no na ase ne sen. Now amen we share where from the friends Old Testament.
Yes.
The Hebrew Tanakh.
Yeah.
Tanakh no the Hebrew scriptures. Emu na amen ewo. Na amen pie wo Old Testament no. 30 times.
Yes.
30 times in the Old Testament. In your amen, 30. Ewo Old Testament mo. Na amen no ase anything. Now, oba enti mu a, eno so epie mu 52 times. In all no, your amen 82. Ewo the whole Bible mo. Na ye hwe se amen kura na ase anything. Na Bible no amma ye nhyase ewo amen mu.
Yes.
Inti be hwe encyclopedias and a dictionary. Na Hebrew mu so no, ye be say say the word amen, amen no, as anything. Ebinu say a bosom bidin ewo Egypt. Inti enne ye be hwe say amen no, as anything. Now, ye hwe Wikipedia encyclopedia. Now, no say amen. And of course say the word amen is a declaration of affirmation. Declaration of affirmation. Adibia wo sisudua. Say enya ho. Adibia kan say we dey ebebem. Declaration of affirmation, first found in the Hebrew Bible and subsequently in the New Testament. It is used in Jewish, Christian, and Islamic worship as a concluding word or as a response to a prayer. Common English translations of the word amen includes verily, verily, say no cre ne ye kan no ebe ye ho so be it. It is also used colloquially to express strong agreement. Say ade we meji tum say ni makan yi ni e bom pai wo ho yi ebebem ye nya obetie ye nti amen no ase ne say enye ho sisi dua say beba ho. Now when you go to Judaism, or say Judaism so clear and say although amen in Judaism is commonly used as a response to a blessing, it is also often used as an affirmation of other forms of declaration. Say Hebrew say ebem. This Jewish liturgy use of amen was adopted by the Christians, but Jewish law also requires individuals to answer amen whenever they hear a blessing recited, even in a non-liturgical settings. Talmud the explanations are rabbis Bible the Tanakh Omakayam their own translations almost say the word amen. Talmud teaches homiletically that the word amen is an acronym of El Melech Nemen. El Melech Nemen as said, God, our King, is faithful. Elohim, Melech. Elohim is God, Melech means king, and Nemen means faithful. Just say, no kwafo ni nya waka no obeye. Nya ede mato no so no, oyo nyankopon. So Elohim Melech Nemen, or El Melech Nemen means God, our King, Yahweh. God our King is faithful. Oyo no kwafo ye nyankopon oyo hin no kwafo a nya oke bia na to bi anim ebeye ho ebebem. Onya wo tell me and you say the word amen no e wo ho tete 1000 BC.
Yes.
Na Israel form e use the word amen. Now, Numbers 5:22 look at and say how they who say amen ba first. You who say enya ho.
Yes.
Appear with Deuteronomy 12 times.
Yes.
Revelation 9 times. Into the word amen no emre ni wa mekani hi a chewo so wo hwe a hwe Deuteronomy 27:15, Deuteronomy 27:16, Deuteronomy 27:26, Psalm 41:13, Psalm 72:19, Psalm 89:52, Psalm 106:48, Jeremiah 28:6, Matthew 6:3, Matthew 28:20, Revelation 1:18. Ni yan amen ewo ho. Now, after ye baso say amen wo ho after so try Revelation 3:14. Amen osahin Christo. Emra okan nsem chance asora hodro no. Ka kire won say me din di amen ko.
Revelation chapter 3 verse 14. Laodicea asafo.
Laodicea asafo no.
Na Laodicea asafo mbofo. Chire come on say.
Chire come on say.
Say na amen.
Say na amen.
Odansefo.
Dasefo.
Wasese wogine die.
Wogine die.
Na oye no kwafo.
Oye no kwafo no.
Nyankopon
don't say no kwafo na aba ho.
Yes.
Dasefo no kwafo.
Yes.
Enti asem bia wosusu dua say ebeye ho. Enti o say Christo say na body makwa den amen. Na ye den eye bosonsudi. What say? Okay, so why they claim that amen is the name of a sun god, the ancient Egyptian religion? Is amen a name of a pagan god?
No.
Let's ask. Now, only will tell me, amen, nyabo sumbi edin.
Debi.
Omoko wiya, the word amen, na akomabo sumbi. Na ka say, musumu, debi da. Amen, nyabo sumudin. Yahweh, ama on my Israel warning. Say, me mind, move me zim, omo fi fa. Omo fi me zimu. Me zim for Egypt for ewa bosun 2000.
Yes.
Pantheons of God.
Yes.
2000. India or 5000. I say, me na majim we fi me zim. Na mo hwe na mo nsuansuan mizim fu akwan ma mo nsonsun mosuma abosom no okay se bosom bi wa fa ni amen na mo mayi fi mizim okọ na Israel football amen o ya we nimu a o be di ahwe
Dabi
se bosom bi din di amen wo Egypt na ya we akọje ni man na we go mizim fu abosom ya nimu ase.
Yes.
All the 10 gods of Egypt, you know, the main 10 in Yanu, or come on, she sun god Ra no mpo 3 days na ya moa no esie na esuma show museum na obi hwehwe na Ra sa abosun we fa no Ra this god Ra Amon Ra sa abosun wi am so ewia Onyankopon obo ade abode na nimpa so common sense nyansa na ode sum abode na sa ewia we kan hye onua amonra sabosun we eye owia no Yahweh ama Israel warning yanko Exodus 23:13
Exodus 23:13
ose de
Yakopon asem
Yasem ni
de maka mu nyina
de maka mu nyina munne so
na enyame fufuro din so
ade
enyame
fufuro din no
momo wonte omonum
wonte wonum nse ampa se amen yebosum din a ni Yahweh aka asam na Israel for ebo amen Yahweh nim no edin
dabi
se amen bosum din a Yakopon be din onye kom da for me call Joshua 23:7
Joshua chapter 23 verses number 7
yes
Sani Joshua onam Yahweh Nyankopon asem ekan Joshua 23:7 tie wase na mo ankọ amaman akeka no na mo amo wonyamedin
memo bo wo nyamedin
na mo anka wondam
na mo man kantam membo nyame fufu bi edin don't make mention of any God's name membo wondin kura na Yakopon no oye jealous Yakopon otwe ninkum enti memo mbo nyame fufu bi edin wo he na mo nka won
na mo nka won na mo nso won
enti se amen yebosum din na Israel chine Yahweh nim na won say amen a na Yakopon edin hwe won ma asa amen nyebosum din
dabi
yanko Isaiah 26:13
Isaiah chapter 26 verses number 13
yes
Onyankopon asem enie
nasem ni
wasem na Yahweh Nyankopon ewuranum a enye wo na ebedi yen so
ewuranum a enya wo ebedi yen so
na so nko a na ebekamfo din
na wonku udin na yebebo oh enti ha mo no yehu 3 verse chapter say Yahweh see no Israel for embo abosum bi edin onua wo tie mi Kristo ni enkobosum bi aho eye chiwade eye musuo say ebebo bosum bi din enti wo ye sofo because ditumi bi bosum bi ebe sha asorasia hu say wo dachi we mobo ye Yakopon Yahweh etumi hye ne hwenu onyam enti hu hia sabo ko dibusum bi tumi bi sika kakria obunye ato nti mama mun kan kure na engina Bible so nchekere mememe se hu say Onyankopon na eye seje na you don't do anything mon bra me nchen na mesamo yare de bi nkebi da sofo enkebi da se mon bra me nchen mesamo yare de bi da o se tumi ya fe so na eba iti yan de ya ho de nyina efe fa soro o se mamombo nyame biare din nti se amen ye bosum din na Israel for ebo egu Yakopon asoma na on man wo ni on kan hwe wo
dabi
o se ba mambo ba din mambo abosum chemos mambo modin
monsum wo
nti amen enye bosum din
dabi
da
ko be kan ho asem
enye bosum din nti efi mra o fi Misrim na wo kono during the exodus from Egypt Yahweh commanded the children of Israel not to learn the ways of the Egyptians, not to make mention of the names of their gods.
Yes.
He said Israel for Bob Misrim, Egypt, Bosum Dia, Yakopon Din Hwemo.
Debida.
Onia amen no. Ane echi so na Kristo abano se ye friend amen. Ah. Omo de ho fore ye ho. Wa onya obosom. Wanya obosom ewi abosom na bosom a wo common sense, wo so wo nyansa na wa twin na echi no, wo cha Yakopon ho na wo som pete ina nwo ina njamoa
reptiles.
Oh masa so mo de enfa ho mba ye ho me enfa ho ma farfare ho ye de assume Yakopon tasefo no ye kan Bible ye kan book of the dead. The book of the dead e will for homa ye kan wo si we ni ebie when they thought to be wise they became fools. Yes. Romans 1:22 kan
Romans chapter 1 verses number 22 senior creation no ekani wase na wase wayanyansafo wadane nkwasea ose de emra won si won wo nyansa no emra won si wo common sense no. 1 Corinthians 2:14 emra won si wo nyansa no wadane de nkwasiafo adentira ose de 1 Corinthians 2:14 wase na woni pa wo kram no
onipa wo kram the natural man
enyi Nyankopon honhom ade
can never understand the things of the spirit. Oh, they be no carnal mind. Nipa nyansa ena meka de bia say common sense without divine sense is what? Stupidity. Only the four words see me. Me didn't pastor Felix Obenampa. Ena me nua Sabbath. ene ye hwe ho amoyi na je Ghana TV ndie no kura nko awo ye twa ho aba na ye ba ye be kan se me bri a kiro no kura wonya nte da no fa wonua bi se onhwe je Ghana ye kwa ba
ebusiafo mi chiechia mo modi she akire bru akonkonkonko alias atara otafrija na one strike abako pa na make say je Ghana TV kwankwansa etro wo de won kai krampa wo de ka Papa JJ Lawrence wo de wo J Ghana TV YouTube subscribe na be hu nsam me de me wi o wa akwere wani so ade bye
pachomu nya mon subscribe to J Ghana TV.
Hi, this is your girl Diamond Apia, aka the Boss Lady. Mo subscribe to J Ghana TV, the #1 entertainment channel on YouTube.
Adafo, upe baby a wo besere, wani beje. Ha, afutu awale mu nsam. This is J Ghana Bakope TV. Hwe ho na watch ma me wate.
Your family Louise Edinkra. Make am fu J Ghana TV ma. Hwe, sa wo pensem watie, wo peniema hu a. J Ghana TV na also subscribe. Oni size o baby a. Make am chiro.
So open YouTube, Papa Pasha, me pacho subscribe to J Ghana TV. Me that's it.
Me doing editing agree. J Ghana TV, we stand for the truth. Mo subscribe it. Na mo share J Ghana TV. It's the best.
Yo, it's after net here for them I say hi J Ghana TV where we stand for nothing but the truth. And to no Korea na yaba Pastor Felix Obinampa. Me Warrior West Temple. My number is 0243589258. Now, you can amen. Amen.
Yeah.
I been say ya bosum din. Omo di won finu ebe ya ho. Enye no kre. Now, sir, ya we say me ye mbobosum bi edin. Etomi bia Jeremiah breso no.
Yes.
Israel for ebinum efri Yakobon achi. I got some osoro hima. Jeremiah 44.
Jeremiah 44.
Verse 16 to 27.
Was asema wori ka kire.
Yakobon suma enye wonwa. Ye kana obi ntie enye wonwa. O say Yakobon suma Jeremiah. E the warning come Israel for say mo hwe yie wo abosom so ho ko.
Asema wori ka kire.
Asema ka kire yen.
Ye wodi mu.
Ye wodi mu. Yentie.
Nemum.
Yentie. Nembom.
Ye ba ye bibia efi akase ye.
Ye di efi yakoma mu yenum.
Si ebe hye aduham ama osoro
ebe hye aduham ama osoro hema
ye hwe hwiesa
si obi osoro hema na go for baby and ne ba say Mary hwe kisosum me yase abosonsum ewura kisosum mu abosonsum bibiri ewura kisosum mu ntam am okay bi na eden
images
abosonsum and o say ebe hye o say Mary osoro hema no chiwade ko
ye be hye aduham ama osoro hema no ye hwiesa ama no ayen said ye ne ye janom ye na hemfo ene ye asafo ho ye no
ye no
Yuda nkuro ne Jerusalem no so aduane meme ye
yo hwe we ye ntia Yakobon ye ja wachidie na ye som ohe oso hema no aduane me
na ye di yie na ye hunu bone bia na efi bra ye ja wo so hema no
ye ja Yakobon som yi
ne ahwiesa no ehwie no ade nyina aboye ana afena ene ekom ana ahwie yenwe na se ye hye aduham ema oso hema ne ahwie ahwiesa ema no a ye kwati yen ekrunum ne ye yontatale edi sisi ho ema no ye hwie ahwiesa no enyina ana Yeremia ka kire
Yeremia say won say
emarima ne ma
enkrofo
a obu anu nyina ne say aduhwam a muni mu ajanom
eduhwam a muni mu achanom
mu ahemfo ene mo bapoma ni asase no so fo ehye no Yuda nkrom ene Jerusalem no so enye enonom ena Yahweh akaye na afuro na asena afufuro ahye afuro ahye makoma mu efrise na Yahweh intumi nsoa mo ne ye bone ne achiwade amoye no bio na mo asase adane amanfo ni ahodwuredie ne no me a obi antena ho se de tie nei esa se mo hihye aduhwam
ma hye ni hwanti mo konkwaso mu
eye Yahweh bone
kranti ne bekumu
ade ye Yahweh bone na mo ntie Yahweh mo ne mra hyede adanse sam so enti ane sane bone abesane
enti ne sane bone asane mo yi
se de etie
nei
na Yeremia ka kire o man ni
ne
man nyina se Yudafo Mizim asase so nyina
Mizimfo omo yenfa
Mizim
Yudafo oma ko Mizim
ebi ni ko Babylon ebi ni ko Misrim ko
asase so nyina no muntie ya wasem
muntie ya wensam
sa asafo ya Nyankopɔn Israel Nyankopɔn ni sie
esini
mo ne mo yerenom mo de mo ano ka na mo de mo nsa so ayo na bem
yes
osemiara me ye be ma yen aboade ye
be tu aboade
ye be hye yen ho bo say ye be hye duhwam ama osoro hema
yes
ye hwehwe sa ama no
yes
timara na mo na tim
na mo na tim
na mo hye nso atim
na mo hye so atim
na ma enso na mo ba ma mo aboade ye no
ko
santi Montie ya we asem.
Say montie ya we nsem nti.
Yudafo a moti Misrim asase.
Yudafo a moti Misrim asase so.
Hwe.
On so se Misrim. Ehon na bosonsum fio. Ehon na bibifuo chemetics for. Abochimemfo say omo ye blacks. They are coming back to Africa, to Egypt to go and worship demons. We ye bibini na say slave master. At the Bible aba. Ne Bible no ebe enslaving. Christianity ebe enslaving. Mo yate. Bible, you don't want to worship the slave master's God. Fine. You hate the slave master's book. Free America be free. Yes. Slave master Chrome free obra.
Yes.
I challenge all blacks in America, all the blacks in diaspora. If you hate the slave master's book, you don't want the slave master's religion. Come back to Africa.
Leave their nation.
And leave their nation. Leave the white man's land, the slave master's land, and come home. Come and stay here. We have enough land here. There was land ha. Mumma bua na mumma sick factories. Na ye na me edwe bi ye. Mo bato. Na makọ castle. Makọ twa enu hu hia. Slave master ni owudini. Eku nimpa onye obi ambre Ghana. All the blacks in diaspora must come back home. Ko.
What's it say? Maka me din kase ya no. Ya wasem ni
na sem ni
wari mo me din
mumbo me din biom say mo de ma no abobosum din de mumbo me din biom
bida ni biara no mu
anum
wo Misrim asase so enyina
ye mo biom oh enti me hwe won so ekọ
say we Nyankopon enti ase
oti ase
hwe me wo won ho ani bone
wo mo hu ani bone
na nya papa
papa
na Yudafo wo Misrim asase so nyina bedwere afena ne yekom ano
wo den kranti na kom be kum
akosi say
sanse mbo mabusum di onye fa o temi say amen ye bosum di kan Yakobon twan yegu dada
ane
Christopher twan yegu because amen de bia amen yeah to amen anko twan yegu amen afa yehwe bosum din no enye amen
yes
obosum we ni din di Amon enye amen eye Amon enye amen
yes
bosum eye wia the sun god Ra if I know Amon Ra enye amen upu go to your Google phone and Google kwa Wikipedia or say Ra yeah only ni Ra bosum yi and or say Wikipedia or say Ra also transliterated Re is the ancient Egyptian deity of the sun by the 5th dynasty in the 25th and 24th century BC. He had become one of the most important gods in ancient Egyptian religion, identified primarily with the moon, sun, the noon sun. Ra will be believed to rule as part of the created world, the sky, the earth, and the underworld. He was a god of the sun, other kings, and sky. Yeah? Ra was portrayed as falcon and shared characteristics with the sky of god Horus. At times, the two deities were merged as high hierarchy. Ra and his Horus of the two horizons in kingdom. When the god Amun, A-M-U-N, Amun rose to preeminence, he was fused with Ra into Amon-Ra. Amon-Ra. Now, what shall I say? Ammon, also Ammon, Amen. Both of the every say friend, the first name here, Ammon, then Amen. What we have a two the on your Amen, which one said they be last.
Yes.
They be in the goggles, you know. Then Amen come last. And any ding. Now, essence say can amen see. Say be a ne bosom osom no take say o afro bosom ti no like e maka ho. Ye fa the amen. Ammon. Ani Ammon also Ammon. Hwe ni hia Ammon. Me say me no fo. O hwe me hwe. God Ammon. Oni you can go and Google on your phone.
Yes.
When you the piano edin no Ammon ba first. Ammon no the amen e twa to. but choppy a letter addition no money can home yen friend amen now Ammon as a channel the hidden one Ammon the name Ammon and the amen are two different words.
Yes, and different.
I see Ammon was a local deity of thieves whose name means he who is hidden. Ammon, this sun god, and the word Ammon, or say it means what? He who is hidden. Amen means so be it. Amen. Amen means what? So be it. El Melech Neman. Our God, the King, is faithful and he will do it. Ammon means the hidden one. Elevated to the rank of the ruler of the gods. In his form of Ammon-Ra. He was worshipped in the biggest temple in the world, Karnak temple. His name means the hidden one. His name is what? Hidden one. Ammon is a very ancient divinity with warrior characteristics, starting with the Middle Kingdom. And to another for tell me, the word Ammon and the amen and your pet. Obosuma Egypt, if Ammon, you find amen.
Yes.
When you are okay, amen, I say amen.
Amen.
Men mo say amen, what's me di?
Debbie.
Say amen, what's me di anka? Christ say of your friend say, "Mama obium." Revelation 3:14.
Revelation 3 verse 14.
And you do say that means the Bible is wrong. If the what's me di amen, ne Christ go fa go.
On fa. Leodiki asafo mbofo no. Fi the command say, say na amen. Odansefo a wose wadi ne die. No ye no kwafo. Nyankopon abode afiti ase no se.
Oh, no for wo tie me. Amen. Ase ne say enya ho emrem.
Amen.
Misisu dua. Ammon ase ne say hidden one. Near odi we hinta. So how do you tell me Ammon and amen are the same? What can say? Your favorite song Ammon, Amun, amen. And you're no cry. Amen. Bible no a woman from Old Testament. Tanakh. Israel I can't amen. Me say, ya we see Israel from Bible sum din. Say amen the bosum din a. Na ko pon e din on ka hwe wo ho. Be say nde.
Debi.
Deuteronomy. On kan ho asem wo.
Yes.
Deuteronomy kan ho asem wo ho.
Kan ho asem.
Numbers e wo ho. It's Psalms.
Yes.
David kan amen bebre.
Ampa.
Na ya we an kan munya din. O say David ba e din ba mbejai bo. Mama friend me Baal biom o ka kire won. Baal o ka kire mama friend Baal biom. Mama friend friend say you call me no more Ishi. You call me no more Baal, but you call me husband. Into Baal as saying Baal means Lord.
Yes.
Baal it means Lord. And I say Baal and mama friend me biom. Now my friend Baal.
Yes.
Also on pay. Zerubbabel. It didn't back out. I say no. Baal means Lord. Don't call me Baal. Ne say amen ye bosum dia Yahweh anka hwe wo ho ama onyankopon ba ho nemu say Kristo o say friend amen no for tell me and masan kwafo no tuputu go nim say amen bosum di na wan jabo
never
Israel for ye do ho mo na mo kan yivara Yahweh fi Ishmael reka Yahweh panavela ha bi huneka Isa Yahweh panavela ha via samla shalom Israel ti ositi Yahweh ya Yehobon no what I say enhira nka wo na ma je so ken ye racho amen no enya bosum din otom emma abosonfo nka che o say emma onwo som ehye ank emma hye ank no ena one the eye of horrors no anka che o say amen e abosum din Ammon na ebosum din no obosum no ni go okwa go. What is the name of the sun god in ancient Egypt as a phone? What is the name of the sun god of the ancient Egyptian religion? About your dino. Na Ammon and the amen in your pet.
Debbie.
Now a son said, a true now more young person say, I'm the one fight for the one say, yes, so obviously, someone Musumo can amen. They be when now sumo so yan day and purpose on some ya kind yakopon homa ye the living book and kwa homa na ya kan yan kan homa bia ye tuwo obi fun obi a wewu ni na de kem obi a wewu 2000 years mommy a wewu Egypt I mo bon na ehu homa wo mu eno na ope Bible do say what evidence say if a soro by only for with me me catch so Nyankopon smai in this last days no e be pa atro nche kire ho ntoma de bia no fatu J Ghana TV where we stand for the truth.
Yes.
Bomodina hwehwe and then when we at amen me din the Pastor Felix Oben Ampa Yahweh's Temple eya sorry ewo Mamprobi yepen eben Shalom yewo Cambridge School no mo ye brother ko ewo Tema eben Ideal College ibisu wakaswa ibisu Obudumbram we no for tie me fatu J Ghana me Pastor Felix Oben Ampa na me nua Sabbath and Sabbath janu nka mo ho ye mompayem ye nyankopon ne abandenden ye da wase tumi ne gya nhyira ka wodin da wo efesu afa man tumi mfa wadom ne aka ma asem nto akoma bia so nenso aban pempem kwagye wodin 20 amen.